Hello, this is James Smith from GannAnalysis.net. Give us a like if you want to keep these videos coming, and greatly appreciate it. It keeps the channel going. Today I want to show you sterling. That's the British pound against the US dollar. From the high of July 18th, 2014 to the low of September 30th, 2022. That is the swing that we've sketched here. And halfway between that would be 137.865. That's what we call the 50% retracement. It's basically half the swing. And it's as very simple as it gets. This is not highly complicated. I'm sure a lot of you are already aware of the importance of the 50% mark, but in case you're not, I just want to cover the bases and let you know that anytime you see a market get to this level, watch to see what it does. If it closes above it, all's good, it'll keep going. If it fails, it might go down. So I have arrows going up and going down because it's not our view that matters, it's what the market does. If you let the market decide instead of imposing your own scenario, your own viewpoint, you're going to make money. The 50% retracement by far is one of the most important Gann tools you can come across. So if you learn nothing else from Gann, anytime you see a swing that looks interesting, you could take this high and this low, or you can take this high and this low, or you could go back further. You can do multiple swings and look at the 50% retracement for all of them and see what you get. You can see this one hit pretty precisely and it sold off. Maybe it takes another run at it. If it closes above it, hey, maybe you go up here to 145,900. So all we're really saying is be aware of where you are in the chart, and 50% retracement is one retracement you definitely want to follow. I don't care if you're trading commodities, stocks, forex, crypto, bonds, it doesn't matter. 50% retracement is going to work on all of those markets, and you definitely want to pay attention. If you're not, you're missing out. Now, the other thing I would say is you register to the website, GannAnalysis.net. You get a few free reports. You get more than what you see here on YouTube. So it pays you to do that. And right now we're doing a promotion. So if you go to the website, you'll see that promotion. For new clients, you get a discount. So if you have any questions, feel free to give me a shout. Just send me an email, jamessmith@GannAnalysis.net. If you have any trouble with the website, do let us know, but it works pretty well most of the time. Good luck in your trading. I hope this has been helpful. Again, give us a like to keep the channel alive and healthy.